Hi everyone, thanks for coming back to my channel. My name is Cindy and you're watching Little Star Plans. Today I'll be showing you a quick demonstration how to use our memes. Here as I have already started, you can see I already added some tabs. This time it's a little bit different and that's because you can see that there is a transparent tabs underneath the tab on its own. And the reason why I decided to go for that is that I could move my tabs around anytime I would like. So how did I do that? It is a transparent tab that I got from Avery. You can get anywhere else. You can use tape or whichever you like. So I did use this brand and I did cut the pink portion off. I cut the transparent tabs in half so I can use it for two Mimi's monthly tabs. So our Mimi monthly tabs comes with a foil and non-foil as well. The option is yours. You get to choose which one you prefer. Okay, so after you cut the pink portion, you cut the transparent sticky part in half. What you do next is that you would grab your Mimi sticker. So right now I am working on July, like this. And I would pick out my sticky part and I would put it in half. Apply it in half. So I would kind of like eyeball it, put it in half. You can always cut the tabs to the size that you prefer. So whatever that's exposed above the sticky part is where the tabs will be sticking out from your page. After you have set to your desired size, what you do next is fold it in half, the top and the bottom. I like about these tabs is that they are indented on the left and the right hand side, and so it make it easier for you to fold it in half. Okay, and I don't know. Okay, there you go. Okay, so then you kind of push it down. Once you're done, you will find a page. So keep in mind these tabs will work on any type of planner. It doesn't have to be Hobonichi Weeks, Hobonichi Cousin, but they are small enough to fit all kinds of planners, even bullet journal as well. So July will be 7th. So what I do like to do is I like to kind of align it in the middle of the color, like right about here. And the end of the sticky part hopefully is at the align at the edge of the page. I can't really see because it's quite far away from me. Let me see. It's kind of crooked a little bit. See, that's the benefit of like having it on a removable tabs. You can always adjust it to your preference. Along like this. I hope that works. I keep on like messing it up. But you kind of get that idea that you want to align it in the middle. And you can do the same for your planner. It doesn't have to be monthly tabs. You can add I don't know, maybe some like stickers, the die cut that you like a lot, that you want it to be like kind of like a bookmark. You can tape it on there. And voila, that is my monthly tabs. It looks pretty nice so far. I really enjoy it. Maybe it's just staring at you and smiling. Hopefully you guys have a good day. But yeah, so last week I did post a video on my first impression of this planner, my 2020 planner. I want to give you a quick glance of my front cover that decorated not too long ago. Voila, here it is. This is my Hobonichi Cousin. What I did is that I added a bunch of like stickers and washi tape. You're probably very overwhelmed by seeing this, but I'll quickly explain what the things are on my planner so far. Again, this is a clear cover. And inside the clear cover is I think it's a transparency sheet that I added all the vinyl stickers die cut stickers as well. And these two are not in the shop, they are exclusive. These are exclusive from anniversary box and so on. These are exclusive freebie that's not in the shop. Yeah, so basically all of them are kind of exclusive. And then on the left hand side is the washi tape. So you could do something similar to your planner as well. You can add die cuts, stickers, or whatnot. So here is the back. Look at the Mimi, BFF holding a bubble tea. Nom nom nom. Anyway, so I think that's about it. I hope you guys enjoy and learn something new on how to add your tabs. Again, if you have any question about it, how to use our tabs, you can let me know by leaving a comment or even message me directly. But this is what it looked like so far, and that's it. Hopefully you guys have a good day. Bye guys.